At the moment, I am a final year student in a local polytechnic pursuing a diploma, also known as an associate's degree. It has been an exciting journey for me because I started out as a certified ethical hacker at the age of 16. I believe I am one of the youngest in the EC Council history. I have since achieved most of the necessary qualifications and certifications before turning the age of 20. Currently, I am still in a local polytechnic and will be most keen to dive into this role after graduating from a university. Still in the local polytechnic, I am sure this certification will prepare me well for future job assignments. As having a look into the job sites, I realized that such specialized certifications are an essential criterion by potential employers these days. It was challenging, yet exciting. Tough as it may be, but the passion for acquiring the knowledge in this course was way more compelling. I spent 8 hours daily diligently preparing for the exam the moment I attended the first lesson. Firstly, it's the courseware and tools that comes with it. It is very helpful as it simulates the actual environment that participants can expect. Secondly, it's the trainers appointed by EC Council. They are very knowledgeable and are able to simplify the concepts well. Lastly, it's the practicality of this course. It's a very good mix between hands-on learning and theory concepts. I have not had the chance yet to implement the skills learned in this course as I'm still currently completing my final semester in the Polytechnic. I am sure that this course will prepare me well for the real world once I start working. Well, I've spoken to a few people who are in this industry during my internship, and they have told me that such specialized certifications are required for one to further develop their skill sets and be an effective contributor to their company. Firstly, they need to know their own calling and passion, as the journey to complete this course can be rather lonely. Secondly, they need to have an organized study plan and know some basic cybersecurity knowledge so that they won't be stumped by the technicalities and technical terms faced in this course.